Good morning, everybody. How to do to you? Good morning, boys and girls. How to do to you? Good morning, boys and girls. How to do to you? How to do to you? Good morning, boys and girls. And how are you doing today? I am fine. My name is Auntie Camille. What is your name? Thanks for telling me what is your name. There are so many names. Okay, now we're going to find out what day is it today. There are 7 days. There are 7 days. There are 7 days in the week. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, and Saturday. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, and Saturday. Okay, boys and girls, yesterday was Tuesday. Tomorrow will be Thursday. Today is Wednesday. Great job. Today is Wednesday. Today is Wednesday. All day long. All day long. Yesterday was Tuesday. Tomorrow will be Thursday. All day long. All day long. Great job. Now it's time for you to tell me what's the color of the day. What's the color of the day? Okay, boys and girls, what's the color of the Wednesday fish? There it is, there it is, there it is. It is blue. Great job. B-L-U-E spells blue. B-L-U-E spells blue. I-O, did you know B-L-U-E spells blue? B-L-U-E spells blue. B-L-U-E spells blue. I-O, did you know B-L-U-E spells blue? Okay, boys and girls, we are gonna look for a blue shape. Do you remember what's the shape of the week, boys and girls? It has 5 points and 10 sides. Do you see it? Do you see the shape? Do you see the blue one? It is a star. A star. And here we are learning about our star. Now, boys and girls, the star gives light. So along with the moon in the night, a star gives light. So if there's no star, there is darkness. So light, darkness. Light, darkness. One more time, boys and girls. Light, darkness. Great job. Great job. Now we're going to place our shape of the week and the color of the day right here. Great job. Now it's time for you to tell me, what's the weather where you live? What's the weather? What's the weather? What's the weather where you live? Is it sunny? Is it raining? Is it windy out today? Tell me, children, what's the weather? What's the weather where you live? Okay, boys and girls, what is the weather where you live? Where I am living, it is raining. It is raining. We're getting some early morning rain. We are getting some early morning rain. Now, can you find the rain picture on my weather chart? Is this raining? No, it is, Mr. Sun. Great job. Is this raining? No, is this raining?
No.
Great job, boys and girls. So we are going to go up, 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 up with our arrow. And it is raining. There is a day when the place is wet and rainy. Is the weather R-A-I-N-Y, 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 and rainy is the weather. Great job. Today is a rainy day. Thanks for telling me, boys and girls, What's the weather where you live? Now it's time for us to complete our sentence. And today is Wednesday. It's time for us to read. Time for us to read, boys and girls. Ready to read? Get ready to read. Okay. Let us read. Today is Wednesday. One more time, boys and girls. Today is Wednesday. Great job. Now, Auntie Camille has to go on the road today and it is raining. Can you help me to get dressed to go on the road? Now, I have on my beautiful clothes. I have on my blue bib and I'm going on the road. First thing we're going to do, what am I supposed to put on? A rain jacket? Okay. I'm going to put on my rain jacket. I'm going on the road. 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 Okay. Oh, I should zip it. Okay. I'm locking it. Up. And guess what? Oh, it has a hoodie on it. Or I can also put on a hat. Okay, I'm putting on my hat. And guess what, boys and girls? I have my rain boots. Okay, so I'm putting on my rain boots. One foot in. And the other foot in. There we go. So I have on my rain jacket, my hat, and my rain boots. Oh, what else do I need? What else do I need? An umbrella? Great job! I have my umbrella. I'm ready to go on the road. I am ready to go on the road. Boys and girls, am I dressed for the weather? Yes, I am. Now, Auntie Camille is going on the road. I'll be back. Went on the road and I am back. Do you remember what's the letter of the week, boys and girls? It begins the word rain. Great job. The letter R. R, capital R, common R. Uppercase R, lowercase r. The R says R. The R says R. I-O, did you know the R says R? R is for rain. The R is for rain. I-O, did you know the R is for rain? R. Okay, boys and girls, now it's time for us to stick our letter of the week where it is supposed to be. Ba-ba, where the church. Ba-ba-ba-ba, where the church. Okay, capital R. And the common R. And the common R. Now we're gonna go to our activity of the day. We are gonna go to our activity of the day. We are gonna go to our activity of the day. Now it says count, then write the amount of common R. Common R. How do we write the common R, boys and girls? Stick your fingers up. One line straight down, then go up, a little curve at the top, a little curve at the top. Come again, boys and girls. Start at the top, one line go down, back at the top, a little curve over the top. Okay? Let us see if you can do it on our board. One line down, then a little curve over the top. Great job! Now, boys and girls, are we ready to count? Are you ready to count? Let us go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Great job. We are going to count it one more time. Are you ready to count a little bit louder? Let us count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1 and a 0. 1 and a 0. Let us go. We're going to write a 1, start at the top, come straight down, and a 0 all the way around like a circle. Great job, boys and girls. So the number of the week is the number 10. Great job. The number of the week is the number 10. The number of the week is the number 10. The number of the week is the number 10. 10, 10, 10, 10, 10. Great job. Now it's time for us to stick our number of the week right here. Great job. Boys and girls, there is something that I have to tell you. Today is the last day of June. Today is the last day of June. Tomorrow we are going to find out the month that comes after June. Do you know the month that comes after June? Boys and girls, do you know the month that comes after June? Great job. Now it's time for us to review our board. So today is Wednesday. Today is Wednesday. And the Wednesday fish is the blue fish. And the shape of the week is the star. Great job. The letter of the week is the letter R. The letter of the week is the letter R. The number of the week is the number 10. Great job. 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. The number of the week is the number 10. The number of the week is the number 10. The number of the week is the number 10. 10, 10, 10, 10, 10. Great job. Hope to see you tomorrow, boys and girls. Bye.